What's up? It's Live Fast again with another video. Today what we're going to work on, I'm going to show you is how to change your windshield wiper blades on your Mk6 GTI. So this is going to apply for years 2010 through 2014. Stay tuned and I'm going to show you how to change them. Let's get started. Now you might say, I know how to change wiper blades on a regular car. However, on the Mk6 GTI, they come down into this retracted mode. So when you go to pull up to flip your blades up, they're going to hit right here. This is about as much room as you get. I'm going to show you how to put that in service mode now. So you're actually going to get into the vehicle, is you're going to turn it on, then turn it off, then press down. Not started, but on. After I did that and pressed down on our windshield wiper stalk, it put them into service mode. So now my wipers are up here. Now this next step is going to be very similar to what you may be used to. This blade on here is a little bit different than some other blades, but it's the very same process. So what we're gonna do is grab a flathead screwdriver and we're gonna take this and pop this up. So now for this blade, what I'm gonna do is grab my screwdriver in here and I'll pop that up. Now that that's popped up, we have a little tab here. There's a tab on the other side of there, same spot. One tab. Second tab in there. And then this top tab here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push on all of those pieces at one time and I'm gonna slide this off of here. So, pushing on the clips, lift it up on this little piece here, slide it off. All easy. I'm gonna do the other one as well. I'm gonna have the sizes down in the description for you. Now that we got the old one off, I'm gonna put the new one onto there by reversing the steps. Just gonna take it in here, and you're gonna slide it down. So now to get it out of service mode, you're gonna turn it on. Press once on the stalk down. Done. Now if you press up, wipers work like normal. So now we're going to move to the rear of the vehicle. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this piece here, come around the edge of it and pop it up. Boom, simple as that. I'm going to flip this up now, and now we're going to get a screwdriver to actually push that in to slide this out. Just that simple. Now we're going to grab our new one and put that in. Pretty much to install it, you're just going to reverse your steps. You're going to take it here, put it down in here, slide it into place, make sure that that comes and pops up there. Give it a slight little pull. Now I'm going to take this piece, push that back in. Rear wiper blade is changed, less than 30 seconds. Now you know how to change your wipers on your Mk6 GTI. If this video has helped you at all, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button down below. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Peace.